If you have a writing degree and you're wondering what the 10 best ways for someone with a writing degree to make money online are, this is your roadmap. Because your degree is not useless. It's under-monetized. Let's break down the 10 best ways for someone with a writing degree to make money online, ranked by income potential and scalability. Number 1. Copywriting. Sales pages, email sequences, ad scripts. Businesses pay thousands for persuasive writing that drives revenue. Number 2. Ghostwriting for founders and CEOs. LinkedIn posts, newsletters, personal brands. Many executives can't write, but it earns sex. They get sex. Can cheer, seer pay. Number 3. YouTube scriptwriting. Big creators constantly need engaging scripts. If you understand storytelling and retention, this is powerful. Number 4. Email marketing management. Writing campaigns that generate repeat sales. High leverage. Number 5. SEO, blog writing in high-paying niches like finance, software, or health. Number 6. Self-publishing on Amazon KDP. Fiction or non-fiction. You own the asset. Number 7. Building a niche newsletter and monetizing through sponsorships or affiliate links. Number 8. Writing and selling digital templates, resumes, proposal frameworks, content calendars. Number 9. Creating online writing courses. Teach storytelling, persuasive writing, or content strategy. Number 10. Affiliate marketing using long-form SEO content. Rank articles, insert links, earn commissions. These are the 10 best ways for someone with a writing degree to make money online because they leverage persuasion, clarity, and communication. Skills most people struggle with. Here's the truth. The internet runs on words. Ads, emails, landing pages, scripts. All writing. If you master positioning and traffic, your writing degree becomes a revenue engine. If you're serious about implementing these 10 best ways for someone with a writing degree to make money online, subscribe. I'll show you how to turn words into income.